Instagram stories sound quality problem. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because many Instagram users want to improve both video and audio quality when posting stories, but are unsure how to adjust the settings. Beginners especially need clear guidance. It helps them share clearer, more professional content, avoid quality loss, and create a better viewing experience for their audience. First, open your Instagram app on your device to begin the process. Put your email and password to log into your account, making sure the details are correct before continuing. After that, click the login button to move forward and wait until everything loads properly. Once all content has loaded, click the profile button at the bottom right corner to go to your profile page. From there, look for the 3 straight lines at the top right corner and press it to open the menu. Then, scroll down through the available options until you find data usage and media quality settings. Alternatively, you can type the setting name into the search bar to find it more quickly. Once you locate it, press it to open the settings page. After that, look at the media upload quality option listed there. Tap on the upload at highest quality setting to turn it on so your videos will upload in better resolution. Once you have done that, go back to the profile view by clicking the arrow at the top left corner of the screen. Next, press the plus sign on the top of the screen to begin creating a new story. Then, select the video you want to post from your gallery by tapping on it. After selecting the video, take a moment to check for the audio quality to make sure it sounds clear and matches your content. If needed, you can adjust your video before continuing. Once everything looks and sounds correct, you can proceed to post it. After that, click the Your Story button at the bottom left to upload your video. Wait for the upload process to complete so your story becomes visible to your followers. Following these steps will help ensure your videos are shared in high quality with clear audio. Practicing this process regularly will help you improve your content and make your Instagram stories look more professional and appealing over time.